Hi guys, here we are at the Quality Inn. We're in room 223. It's the Quality Inn in Pawleys, which is about 20 miles outside of Myrtle Beach in South Carolina.
As you can see, it's really late.
Not quite that.
This is the quickest room tour ever. But, I'll tell you what.
We've got 2 double beds, a fridge there, microwave,
Yeah,
storage
yeah,
there.
yeah.
Got a Keurig coffee machine.
Oh, yeah, we have. My goodness. Dear guest, due to the... These items for sale.
Alarm clock, coffee makers.
Oh, I want a Keurig for $50.
Okay.
Right, anyway, yeah. Ironing board iron. Big vanity.
There's the
Got your little conditioner, shampoo and lotion. And some soaps. Towels down there.
yeah,
Oh, sweet bubbles.
shower,
Yeah.
put it all there. Yeah,
Do you know what's behind the door?
no. Okay.
This will do us. We're here for one night, so...
Flat screen TV there. I'll show you a quick view because it is lit up outside. I'll show you a quick view out of the window of the car park and the swimming pool over the back there. So if you can, I think you're just going to get the reflection. Also, you get a free continental breakfast served from 7 till 10.
I do.
Yeah. There we go. Go. There we go, guys. There's a pool. And that's our room tour here
In
at the Quality Inn in
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Perfect.
See you all later, guys.